Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create realistic body in Berry Avenue roleplay. So in here, as you guys can see here, my current avatar is not like a realistic body. So if you want to change it, what you need to do is just click on this and go to the avatar options, and here tap on the menu at the top, choose body, and you can just click on the body options first at the top and use this keyword on the search column. So just type in Munica the Moda Chibi. Okay, hit on enter or search, and you'll see these options right here. You can just choose which or the body that you want to apply to your avatar. For example, I'm going to just apply this ones right here, and you can choose which part that you want to apply. So I'm going to just apply the hands and also legs and body, of course, just like this. Now just close this, and you can just modify your hair to the one that you like. Let's change the hair into this, for example. Okay, I'm going to delete this first. You can just choose the hair that you think fits with your avatar. Okay, let's say I'm going to just use this one. You can also change the facial expression if you want to. And here you can change also the skin tone. I'm going to just leave it as it is, and here I'm going to change or add some clothing. I'm going to delete this one first. Okay, let's add the shirt. Okay, I'm going to just use this one and add some pants on here. Okay, I'm going to just use this, and if you want to, you can also add some accessory and everything. But that's basically all. You can just tap on that. So this is the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.